Today I want to show you all the cool things about this ice maker and how to use it. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to install this handle, which basically just pops on and tilts like this, so you can pick it up if you need to. You're going to plug it in. After you do that, you're going to pop this tray out, and there on the inside is a max fill line. So you're going to take drinking water like this, and you're going to pour it in to here. So the max fill line is right there on this. So we're going to add the water in to the max fill line. And then what we're going to do is pop this tray back in, and you're going to pull the ice scoop back out and then close the lid. So the ice maker can make 34 pounds of ice in 24 hours. It also has a self-clean feature. So now that I added water, what I'm going to do is turn it on. So this button here on the front that's lit up red has on and off. So I'm going to push it. It's going to turn white, so then I know it's on. It also has a ice full light and then a add water light. So depending if the ice is full, it'll light up, or if you need to add water, it'll light up. So now we're gonna let it do its thing, and we'll come back to it shortly. So the ice maker has made all this great ice. So you could leave it on and grab your ice, or you could turn it off. So you just grab this little scoop, and the ice has these adorable little cubes. So it's perfect for making drinks like iced coffee. Let me grab one cube just to show you the size. They are tiny and they're just lovely little cubes of ice. So if you're looking for a great ice maker like this to give you a little cubes, which is perfect for your morning drinks, parties, things like that, I highly suggest you check this out.